Exporting your video from HeyGen is one of the easiest parts of creating content with AI avatars. It only takes a minute or two once you know the steps. After you finish editing your video and you're happy with how your avatar looks and sounds, go to the top right corner of the screen and look for the export button. When you click export, a pop-up window will appear with several export options. You'll be able to choose a resolution for your video, usually options like 720p or 1080p. Keep in mind that higher resolutions mean better video quality. But they also result in larger file sizes, so pick what works best for where you want to publish the video. After selecting your desired video quality, hit the Start Export button. HeyGen will then begin processing your video depending on the length of your video and the export quality. This may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You can usually see a progress bar showing how far along the export is. Once the export is completed, a download button will appear. Click it to save your video file directly to your computer or device. Now you have a ready to upload a video that you can share on YouTube, social media platforms, your website, or anywhere else you want. If you're working on multiple videos, exporting frequently helps keep everything organized and safe. Now you can also use HeyGen's export features to create videos in batches, saving time when you need lots of content. Finally, if you want tips on how to optimize your HeyGen videos with subtitles, captions, or overlays, or if you want to deep dive into script writing for AI avatars, hit like and follow and leave your questions below. I'm here to help.